really enjoyed driving this Fiesta ST that apparently has 330 horsepower with lots of other supporting mods, Team Dynamics wheels, Nankang Air One tires. You know what, I just gonna insert the actual mods here in the list. You can go through them or in the video description, and let's go for a lap. The owner asked to stay anonymous, so that's why his face is not on the video, so that's kind of, I respect that. So if you want to come and drive with me and you just don't want to be in my videos, no troubles with that. So yeah, enjoy the lap with this massive diffuser and a massive turbo that took a bit of time to spool up. Here we go.
Fucking hell. Sorry for swearing.
No, no problem. It's a bit slow on boost,
Yeah,
for my feeling.
a bit of a bigger turbo.
Yeah. So for track it's not ideally, but once you get used to driving it, it's probably doable. Nice. You're shaking?
Yeah, man, that is fucking awesome.
Good, I'm glad you like it.
You're a driver, man. You're a fucking driver.
Yeah. Nice. Yeah, it's kind of slow on throttle response. Like the boost kicks in quite relatively late.
Yeah.
So you will see like on the video that I was like really holding on the throttle quite a long time to,
Yeah.
so it will already start
Spool up.
doing, yeah, spool up and do something out of the corner exit. But the brakes held up nicely, that's good. Water temp did go up like I think 114, but once we went over the hill,
Yeah.
it dropped immediately to actually to more normal temperatures. It's now close to 90 again, so it's not that bad. Tires, AR1s, obviously very good. Suspension also good. It's overall quite okay. It's just like I'm sure for the street it's very pleasant to have this power, but for we can probably like now actually switch the heater off. But for track it was a bit like it required a bit of getting used to with the late boost relatively. That's my only point of complaint, but important. It was quite good. So
Wow.
yeah,
Thank you.
thanks.